Who better to rock it than Ruth the Truth? Stiff wear, no stiff. Shake. It's Ruth the Truth, you know. Welcome to the Ruth the Truth Show. And take a seat, enjoy the ride. I won't take up all your time. I said, it's Ruth the Truth, you know. Welcome to the Ruth the Truth Show. And like, comment, subscribe. And this is the packaging. DYhair777. This is their website. Cute package. Inside is hair care, and then all their information on the back, social medias and everything. There's a coupon code for you guys. There you go. Looking out, you already know. Some lashes. Oh my gosh, I don't know why my voice is like cracking. 100% virgin Brazilian hair, 16-inch. Let me show y'all what color I got though. Oh, and then it comes in this, which is very helpful because whenever like I get wigs, like I just keep this and put them in there and then hang them up. Color is bomb. Let me take this off. It comes with this in the inside, 4 clips, adjustable strap in the back, lace in the back, lace in the front. Then it comes with baby hairs already. Thank you. I be so tired of cutting my own baby hair. And this is 613 hair. Of course, first I'm gonna cut the lace off. As usual, I'm going to cut the front of the lace off camera because I can't hold it up and cut it. Nope. I'm not finna mess it up. So, period. Poo. Adjust the straps in the back. Now we're gonna lay these baby hairs. Then we're gonna sit and wait a little bit for the baby hairs to mold and dry. It's like 30 minutes later. This is procrastinating at its finest. Ow, this flat iron is so hot. That's how you know it's been so long. I was on Snapchat trying to be cute. My throat. I feel like somebody just choked me or something. I don't know what's going on. So yeah, my babies, we're feeling this. And it's a whole look. Shout out to DYhair777 for coming through with the bomb 613 lace 16-inch because it's bomb, baby. Period. Who better to rock it than Ruth the Truth? Who better to rock it than Ruth the Truth? You know. Stiff wear. Stiff wear. No stiff. Shake. Period. I did it again. I procrastinated again, and I got on Facebook, and I was like posting pictures on Facebook and Snapchat. And yo, I done got so many compliments. Like, everybody talk about they love this color on me. Yes, baby. Period. Cause I came to serve looks. I came to slay. Period. Stiff wear. Yeah, I'm really loving this color. I really like this color. Like, I'm happy that I decided to go this color. Shout out to DYhair777 for this hair. Make sure you guys go shop with them. And I even gave you guys the coupon code. So make sure you go check them out. I don't want to stop recording, and I don't want to get off because I'm feeling myself. I want you guys to feel me with me. Feel me with me. This is a 16-inch, but really it's giving me 20-inch vibes on this plant.